that what I have ordered is this one, is the pen which can write on your mobile screens or your tablet screen or your computer screen. This one is it. You can see from itechcart.com. You can also order it, and by using it you can write on your screen, on your mobile screen. Okay, so here you can see that I am using this pen and I am writing on the screen. Okay, so this is Garima Kuswaha. Okay, so this is it. You can also buy if you want a writing pen for your screen. Thank you.